Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo the word scout arrives at the Great Canyon in Vocab Land, ready to make it to the other side. The canyon feels big and challenging, stretching far from one side to the other. A new word fits the journey ahead: traverse. Traverse means traveling across a large area. The journey means moving from one side of the canyon all the way to the other. Slow and steady steps help the journey continue. Patience and focus make it easier to keep going. Reaching the far side brings relief and a proud feeling. The long crossing finally comes to an end. Timo remembers that crossing a wide place is called traverse, and steady steps make it possible.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.